Next, we will define the finish machining of the outside contour. Click on the Save and Copy button at the bottom of the iMachining operation dialog box to create a copy of the newly added iMachining operation. The copied operation will perform finishing of the outside contour. When the copied operation dialog box is displayed, choose I Finish for Technology. Now, let's switch to the Technology branch. In the iRest Data tab, note that the previous iRough outside operation appears in the parent operation combo box, which means that the technological parameters of the current operation are inherited from the previous parent operation. Save and calculate, then simulate the operation in the Solid Verify mode. The finishing is performed in a single pass. Next, we will define the rough and finish machining of the center pocket. Let's add a new iMachining operation. We'll use iRough for Technology and define the geometry on the lower contour of the pocket as shown here. Pick the bottom face of the pocket for the machining depth. We will select the same end mill tool defined in the previous operation, and we'll also use the default Technology Wizard settings. In the link branch, let's use the default value of 2.5 for the ramping angle. This means that the helical ramping into the pocket will be performed at the angle of 2.5 degrees. Save and calculate the operation. Let's simulate it in the Solid Verify mode. We see that the tool performs the helical entry and then the pocket roughing toolpath. Save and copy the newly added iMachining operation to perform the finishing of the center pocket. Choose I Finish for Technology from the drop-down. Under the iRest Data tab in the Technology branch, the previous iRough center pocket operation appears as the parent operation. Save and calculate the operation, then let's simulate it in the Solid Verify mode. The rest material is cleared from the pocket corners before the final finishing pass is performed. Lastly, let's define the rough and finish machining of the pocket ledge. We will add a new iMachining operation and again use the default iRough for Technology. Let's define the geometry as a closed chain on the lower contour of the ledge, and then mark the selected edge being open, as shown here. Pick the bottom face of the ledge for the machining depth definition. We will use the same end mill tool defined in the previous operations, and we'll also use the default Technology Wizard settings just as before. Save and calculate the operation, then simulate it using Solid Verify. The tool approaches from the outside and performs the roughing toolpath, first removing the material from the middle of the ledge and then clearing its corners. Next, save and copy the operation to perform the finishing of the pocket ledge. We'll choose I Finish for Technology. Save and calculate the operation, then click Simulate. Again, we'll run the simulation using Solid Verify. We can see that the finishing of the pocket ledge is performed in a single pass. Congratulations! You have successfully completed Exercise 1 of the iMachining Professor Jumpstart series, iMachining Walkthrough. We hope you found this step-by-step guide on the definition process of InventorCAM's iMachining technology to be very helpful. Please join us for Exercise 2 of the iMachining Professor Jumpstart series, iMachining of a Bracket.